The Center for Disease Control says it's not a matter of if, but when the coronavirus becomes widespread in the United States.
The news prompted mixed responses from frustration to panic from our viewers, and we turn things over to Alex Mankey with that story. Alex?
Well, Bobby and Janice, many of our viewers took to social media expressing concern, like Christy behind me. She says, don't be foolish enough to think it won't spread, while Mike said the common flu kills more people.
Not so much a question of if this will happen anymore, but rather more a question of exactly when this will happen and how many people in this country will become infected.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention warning the coronavirus outbreak will get worse before it gets better.
Right now, there's no evidence to me that this outbreak is at all under control. It's definitely not controlled. And
53 people in the United States have tested positive for the virus. 2 of them were in Chicago. They both have been treated and released from the hospital. And the Illinois Department of Public Health says Illinoisans are still in the low-risk category. They released a statement urging preventative action should be practiced by Illinoisans at all times, but especially as we continue to monitor potential spread of a new virus. The prevention steps may seem like no-brainers, something you learned in kindergarten, but professionals say it is the best defense you have.
But the one standard that goes across all these viruses is our personal responsibility, our personal preparedness about staying home when you're sick, hand hygiene, covering your cough, and doing these things.
It may seem simple, but those simple steps could save your life. Some have speculated that a coronavirus outbreak could cause travel restrictions, school closures, or even force people to work from home. But OSF's Troy Urban-Trout says we're far from that. One thing to keep in mind is that the mortality rate of the coronavirus is about 2%, which is the same as the flu. There have been no deaths from the coronavirus in the United States. Bobby?